crazy animal facts. If you're new, make sure to whack that subscribe button. Crazy animal fact number 1. Baby elephants suck their trunks for comfort, much like a child sucks his thumb. Crazy animal fact number 2. Observations on sea otters have actually found that they're known to hold their hands while they're sleeping. This is because they don't want to drift apart or away during the night, although maybe they just want some otter love. Crazy animal fact number 3. The tongue of a blue whale weighs more than most elephants. It can weigh upwards of 200 tons. Crazy animal fact number 4. Flamingos are naturally white. Their diet of brine shrimp and algae actually turns their feathers pink. Crazy animal fact number 5. Clownfish, some types of eels, and other fish are known to change sex, including reproductive functions. A school of clownfish is always built in a hierarchy with a female fish at the top. When that female dies, the most dominant male will actually change his gender and take her place. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to whack that subscribe button for more content like this. Hopefully I'll see you next time, and I always love some constructive feedback in the comments.